Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain to you a little bit about looking at your grades and feedback. And so let's go down to one of the items that you might be working on. And so let's look at our PowerPoint project 03. I'm going to click on that. And when we come down, if you look at the bottom of the assignment, there's what's called a rubric. And it tells you all the parts that I'm looking at, and that kind of helps you so you know what I'm going to be grading. And over here I graded it in 4 out of 4 points, 1.75 points out of 2, and there's a comment right here. Like if you're just starting the work, you won't see any comments or any grades, but after I've graded, then you can come over here and look and see what kind of comment, like why did you get a little bit of a mark down on this? And then look here for the comment. So that's one place that you can, if it's a serious comment, you might want to redo the assignment and re-upload it. So that's one place you can look at your grades or your feedback. Then also when we came right into here, if I looked at the view feedback right here, it says good job, very minor corrections needed. That's kind of an overall feedback on the whole assignment. So you have those two things, view feedback, and then also look down here in the rubric and see if there are any comments. Another place to see where your grades are is to click over here in grades. And now it shows all of the different assignments, and my score is 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, a check mark out of 10, which is good. And so if you look, there's all sorts of good things in here. Here it says that this one is late, but I don't count off any points for being late. You have until the end of the quarter to do all your work. And so let's come and we'll look at this one that I was just looking at before. And if you click right here, so I'm in grades, and I can click, and here's my comment, good job, very minor corrections needed overall. And then I can click on this icon. Let me make these bigger so you can actually see them. So this is the comment, and then this will be the rubric. And down below here now is the rubric. And see, we have that same comment right here in a different format. Okay, so I'm going to close that rubric. Okay, and there's one other thing that I would like you to know, or a couple things here. One is here the group weight. So assignments are 60%, and this one isn't set up right. There should be 40% on all the projects. So I expected to see something different there, but it will tell you the weight of 40-60. In your class, it'll be that way. And then down at the bottom, at the very, very bottom, it will show what your grade is at this time. Right now, it's at maybe at 72.81%. And so I can go in and I've put zeros in because when Canvas calculates your grade, if you don't put zeros in, it only calculates the grades that you have completed or the assignments that you've completed. So for example, if you've completed 2 assignments out of 10 assignments and you got 100 on both of those, or you did 100% on both of those assignments, your grade would show 100%. But once you put the zeros in the other 8 assignments, so you've done a total of 2 and the rest are zeros, then your grade is going to be 20%. So that's why I put in zeros, but it doesn't mean you cannot do the work and get a grade. I'll grade it all the way up to the end of the quarter. But let's say we, remember our grade was at 72, but let's put in some what ifs. What if I do this many? I do some more assignments. I'll come and put in, okay, we're doing 5 more assignments in here. Okay, now what does my grade look like once I've done some of these extra things? Oh, now it's up to an 80.22. Okay, so that's a good thing. And then up at the top, you'll see a revert to the actual scores. So you want to click that back. Okay, I hope that helps you see how your grades work.